Assalamualaikum and hi. Before we start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Amir Irfan bin Muhammad Syakuni, which is my number matric 287602, and I'm in currently semester 1, and I am student of Bachelor of Science Economics. Before we start, I want to share three parts of question. The first part is concavity, and second marginal cost and interpretation, and last revenue cost and profit function. So let's start it. The first question is 1A. The first question is related to the concavity. The question asks determine whether function fs equal x power of 3 minus 6x power of 2 plus 18x minus 50 is concave upward and where it is concave downward. So let's see the solution. First, we must use the power rule. After use the power rule, we will get the first derivative. The first derivative is f prime x equal 3x power of 2 minus 12x plus 18. But we need to find the second derivative to determine whether concave upward and the downward. And lastly, the second derivative is f double prime x equal 6x minus 12. Next, second step, let fs equal to 0 to find the interval. We will find f is equal to, so the interval is negative infinity 2 and 2 positive infinity. So we move to step 3 to identify where concave upward and concave downward. To make it organized and easy to see, we can first list down the interval column. Second column, you can insert one number that you want. So I choose number -1 and 3. The third column, you can write down the number you obtain by inserting the test number in the function. Next column is the sign, either positive or negative. Lastly, the concavity, whether the number obtained is greater than 0, a positive number, or less than 0, a negative value. Lastly, the function fs equal x power of 3 minus 6x power of 2 plus 18x minus 15 is concave upward on to infinity and concave downward on negative infinity 2. So this is question 1B 1 Roman. The question asks to find the marginal cost function. So let's see the solution. To find the marginal cost function, we need to find the derivative of cost function using the power rule. After we use the power rule, we will get the cost function, and the cost function is c prime x equals 0.000003x power of 2 minus 0.006x plus 5. So this is question 1B to Roman. The question is describe the behavior of the marginal cost function with the concave upward or concave downward and prove your answer. So here is the solution. Step 1 is find the MC prime s. We know that the marginal cost function is 0.000003x power of 2 minus 0.006 plus 5s. So we should find the first derivative of MC prime s, and we will get the first derivative is 0.00006x minus 0.006. And we can continue to find the second derivative. After use a formula of derivative, we will get MC double prime s is 0.00006. So based on this answer, we know that the value of second derivative MC prime s is positive and larger than 0. We can conclude that the marginal cost function is concave upward. So let's see the question 1C 1 Roman. The question asks to find the level of production that would yield a maximum profit for the company. To find the production level that maximizes profit, we need to find the profit function. So we use formula total revenue minus total cost, and we get the function negative x power of 3 plus 21x power of 2 minus 72x plus 800. After obtaining the profit function, now we can find out the first derivative of profit function using the power rule. And we get the negative 3x power of 2 plus 42x minus 72. So we move to step 3. Let the equal to 0 to find the level of production. So when P prime S equal to 0, we will get two levels of production, which is 2 and 12. Step 4, to find the maximized profit, we need to find second derivative profit function, which is we will get negative 6x plus 42. Lastly, we use second order condition to know the production level, which is 2 and 12. In this case, is maximum or minimum. When the level of production equal to 2, the number is obtained positive 30, which is greater than 0, and that is minimum level. While is 12, we will get negative 30, and the level is maximum. So since P prime variable prime S equal to 0 when the S equal to 12, which is the maximum point. Therefore, the level of production that will yield a maximum profit for the company is 12. So we go to the last question. The last question asks to find the price per unit to maximize the profit. So here is the solution. We can use back the level of production that will maximize profit, which is 12. We can insert it into the profit function and divide by 12, the production level, and finally we will get the price per unit. And the price per unit to maximize the profit is 102 ringgit 67 cents. That's it from my video. Thanks for watching. I hope my video can give some information and benefit for you. Thank you.